A significant data breach has hit Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL), one of India's largest telecommunication companies. BSNL data breach highlights growing cybersecurity threats in India's telecom sector. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The Union government has confirmed a data breach in Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL) systems, which was reported on May 20, 2024. The government has confirmed that sensitive information has been exposed, raising concerns about the security of personal and corporate data. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN) has identified a potential intrusion and data breach at Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. This incident has raised significant concerns regarding the security of customer data and the integrity of BSNL's systems. The breach reportedly involves a vast amount of data, including personal information of subscribers and possibly sensitive operational data. The exact scale and impact are still being assessed, but preliminary reports suggest that millions of records could be affected. The data exposed includes names, addresses, phone numbers, and possibly financial details of BSNL customers. There is also concern that internal documents and communications might have been compromised. A report indicates that the incident involved a significant amount of sensitive data, including international mobile subscriber identity, which is IMSI numbers, SIM card information, and home location register details. This data is critical as it can provide hackers with an entry point into BSNL's networks, potentially allowing to clone SIM cards of users. Such a capability could enable attackers to intercept communications, access private information, and potentially disrupt services. The data breach at BSNL has underscored the increasing cybersecurity threats facing India's telecom sector. While the immediate impact on services was minimal, the exposure of sensitive data presents significant risks for exploitation. The government's swift intervention to address the breach and investigate the vulnerabilities is crucial in mitigating further risks. Let's look into today's headline. Complexity in data management becomes a big problem for 30% of Indian organizations. The second edition of Lenovo's Smarter Data Management Playbook report is released, which includes insights from more than 550 CIOs and IT decision makers throughout Asia Pacific, with more than 100 in India. The IDC report, which Lenovo commissioned, explored important facets of AI data management for 2024, including data architecture and management, data security, AI model integrity, and data-driven enterprise IT strategy. The IT Ministry plans to purchase up to 500 GPUs with new funding. The IT Ministry plans to soon release a tender to purchase between 300 and 500 graphics processing units (GPUs) to help the private sector build domestic computing capacity for developing and testing artificial intelligence systems. This comes after the ministry received its first budgetary allocations for the ambitious India AI mission. The Ministry of Electronics and IT has been given 551.75 crore rupees for the India AI mission for 2024 to 2025 in the Union Budget 2024. Government takes action against illicit lending applications, shutting down 379 websites and preventing cyber fraud worth 2,400 crore rupees. The Rajya Sabha has been informed that the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center 14CS has effectively blocked 379 websites that were hosting illicit loan applications in the last 7 months. As the government intensifies its efforts to combat these fraudulent applications, 14Cs, an organization under the Home Ministry, took the action between October 2023 and May 2024. Data center capacity in APAC to double by 2028. By 2028, the Asia Pacific APAC area's data center capacity is predicted to have more than doubled. with growth being distributed throughout the region due to geopolitical concerns. According to a report by Moody's Ratings, through 2028, APAC data center capacity is expected to rise at a compound annual average rate of about 20%, requiring an expenditure of roughly $564 billion. Risks associated with the green transition and water intensity are two growth obstacles. To compete with Google Search and others, OpenAI introduces Search GPT. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has unveiled Search GPT, a brand new AI powered search engine, bringing a new competitor to the worldwide search industry. Designed to combine the strength of our AI models with information from the web to give you fast and timely answers with clear and relevant sources, the company stated in a blog post that it is testing a prototype of new search function. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.